Hi guys, welcome to Rumi's room. Take what is for you, leave the rest for the next to collect. Switch the roles if need be. So we have here a ride on someone's coattail. To take credit, share in, or piggyback off someone's success. Clarity on this. An angry, toxic woman. So a toxic feminine energy, they're angry now or they will be because they want to ride on someone's coattail here. Let's get one more from here. And we have here a return. So this feminine energy could want to return. Either in your life or in your person's life here. Yeah. Criminal activity may be significant here and relates to them. But we have here opposites attract energy when it comes to you and your person. They may very much be different from you or just different from the norm here. Different from what you're used to. So we have here your person is burdened or they were burdened. So this toxic feminine energy may relate to them some way, somehow here. Let's get clarity on this. So their burden then relates to a professional relationship where something was supposed to be professional. Clarity on your person is burdened here. So a funeral, an ending to a professional relationship, and they're rebuilding their life after a loss, investing a lot of effort here when it comes to this. They're ready to take action to improve, or they're moving into this energy here. One more. Yeah, they're a leader. Or they're moving into this leadership position here. High influence in business or stepping into a leadership role. They could also just be using logic over emotions here when it comes to this ending. They may have been at a crossroads. Going hand in hand with this burdened energy. Yeah. An anxious energy may be significant. Or just like a heavy load here. But we have here sapiosexual. So either this is your energy, your person's, or the both of you. Finding intelligence sexually attractive. Someone who is attracted to intelligent people. And we have here a fashionable couple. You guys are fashionable or you will be. And it couple energy may be significant, well-groomed, admired. And we have here an invitation. So receiving an invitation from your person, or you could be giving this here, an offer to come somewhere or do something. He has material wealth, may be significant for some of you. An abundant energy. But we have here, I love me some of her. So the masculine being very attracted to the feminine. An affectionate, smitten energy may also be significant here. And someone here could want to upgrade their person. Something may be changing about your routine, or it will here in the future energy. Or this could be your person here when it comes to this ending. But we have here hesitation and relates to this connection. A pause before taking action. Being nervous or not certain here may be significant for some. But we have someone who will travel by airplane to you. Your person, a long distance energy. And we have here love songs that are significant. Music. And we have here in love with you. So someone is in love with you. Going hand in hand with this hesitation energy. Or they will be in love with you. One more from here. So something may be significant about your smile. Very beautiful. And we have here, trust the process. You are being guided to trust the process, or you were in the past here. It relates to having faith in this. So we have here family business. Wow. Starting a business together. A legacy may definitely be significant and relates to this. And we have here a tidy home. A home that is tidy, a home that will be tidy here. Clean, organized. A home that is cared for here. Yeah, a pregnancy. There will be a pregnancy. And I'm also getting here, when it relates to this toxic feminine here, wanting to ride on someone's coattail, this may very much go hand in hand with this professional relationship coming to an end. Yeah, but we have here a playful mom and relates to the feminine. The feminine here may very much like to have fun or be entertained. A silly, witty energy may also be significant for some. So we have here divine womb blockage. The feminine here has a womb blockage, or they did in the past. Connected to God, a sacred energy. Can't conceive for a certain time period, or just can't conceive with the karmic or false energy. Something is significant about divine timing when it comes to this divine womb blockage. One more from here. One more. And we have here several people, they don't want this child to be born. Wow. And something may be significant about no pregnancy symptoms for some and relates to this pregnancy here. So we have here a money magnet. You are a money magnet. Your person is, or this could very much be the both of you, going hand in hand with this family business. And we have here a woman hating on a man, a feminine energy hating on a masculine. And this may very much go hand in hand with this toxic feminine here, wanting to ride on their coattail. Something may be significant about this masculine here, like they can't be controlled, or they refuse to be controlled here in some type of way. It relates to a toxic energy, a toxic situation. But we have here having a lot of fans, supporters. Either it relates to someone who is in the spotlight or going hand in hand with this family business here. Whoa. But we have here a karmic energy who celebrated too soon. This may go hand in hand with several people who don't want this child to be born. But we have here intrigued. So your person is intrigued by you, or they will be. Curious, fascinated. You may have an unexpected or a rare quality about yourself. Yeah, adoration when it comes to this intrigued energy. Deep love, admiration, respect. And we have here a man hating on a woman. So there's also a masculine here hating, or they will be. And this may be in relates to these people here who don't want this child to be born. But we have here ego death. There is someone or people having an ego death. They may have been very prideful, going hand in hand with the karmic energy who celebrated too soon. Yeah. One more from here, the end of this off. One more. So yeah, new position. You are the winner. We have here spoiled. You are spoiled, or you will be. Or you could want to spoil your person here for some. Yeah, it's a new position here.